Hello friends, welcome back. Today we have another question from physics and the question goes like this. There are two observers moving with some different velocities v1, v2. They see a point charge q which produces a magnetic field at a point A at a position vector r, right? And they see that both of them see the magnetic field, let's say. Now we have to tell whether v1 minus v2, the relative velocity of the two, is parallel to this r vector or not. Okay. So first of all, let us see the Biot-Savart law. We know Biot-Savart law is like this: you know, by 4 pi I dl cross r upon r cube, right? Now we will make some changes. We'll write this as charge upon time taken. Now dl by dt it will become v, right? So this will be v cross r by r cube. So we can also use Biot-Savart law like this. Okay. So this, first of all, we need to understand this r cube. Now let us consider the velocity of q as u, and we will say what will v1 be. v1, the magnetic field seen by this source, it will be mu0 by 4 pi into q into velocity of this with respect to this, that is u minus v1, right, cross r upon r cube. Similarly, v2 will be mu0 by 4 pi q into u minus v2 by r cube cross r. Since v1 is equal to v2, we can say this whole vector is equal to this vector. So we will write u minus v1 cross r is equal to u minus v2 cross r. It will go here, you will get cancelled. So what will we get? v2 minus v1 cross r is equal to 0. Now this cross product is 0. Cross product is 0 means that v2 minus v1 is parallel to r. v1 minus v2 or v2 minus v1, it is the same thing, right? Because we are considering the parallel situation only. So this statement is correct. So I hope this was a different question for you. That is the aim for this classes. These classes we have to bring the best out of you. So they're very good questions. So we solved relative velocity concept with Biot-Savart law with magnetism. Yeah. So this was a modulation, and then this vector became same because that was given. Equating, then we have this and this statement here. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the question. It was a good question, yes. So if you have any doubts, you can write in the comments. Share this video with all your friends. Keep practicing. We'll meet in the next class with a good, better question. Thank you so much for joining.